Hey and welcome. Notion AI isn't just for personal tasks. It's a game changer for managing projects and teams. Here is how. What you're gonna do, go to the home page and make sure, of course, that you updated the app to the latest version. Go ahead and open up the app. Alright, you can see this is the dashboard. Click the pencil thing on the bottom right in the tools, and then you're gonna name your own page. Let's have an example, team management, right? And I'm gonna hit return or enter at the bottom right. Okay, and you're gonna see right here then Notion AI, chatbot. Click right here at the bottom left, the first option at the bottom left, and you're gonna just type generate, right? Generate a project for team management, or whatever your purpose is. Okay, in my case, I'm generalizing for that, just for the sake of this, that video, and then hit enter at the bottom, and they will generate the team management, basically. Yeah, that they will generate the project plan accordingly. So as you can see right here, you will see the risk management, success metric, and basically gonna be able right here to see that this is for the project management right here. Okay, and then just hit accept or discard if it didn't match what you want, right? And then if you like what you see and you want to edit it just on your own time, you can just go ahead and edit it on your own time, and then basically you can hit done at the top right to basically start using that template as a scheduling or as an analysis for that team management project. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We will definitely catch you up in the next video.